So I'm finishing up a little bit of work here. I kind of moved on to step 4, and while I thought a little bit more about the problem that I ran into in step 3, the mistake I made. So I thought I would just move on a little bit and get a little more basic cleanup work done on, let's see, this is the upper turret. Just kind of removed where it connected with the sprue and cleaned up, make sure this is good to go for the next step. And I'm gonna, it's actually really good detail. So I'm gonna focus on, here we go. You can kind of see the rivet, so not the rivets, but the welding. They do a good job with this. Anyway, so I'm gonna pause and take a look at this. Easier to see, I think, up close like this, but that's the direction there where the lamp is kind of to this side with the piece that hangs off of it to the right, and this is the one that's upside down. So I think I've decided, I keep going back and forth, but I think I've decided to go ahead and trim it off and try it again. So I'm gonna work on ungluing that, pulling it out, and seeing what I can do to fix it. Wish me luck. And eureka, I was able to do it. So this is the upper hole with that piece removed. You can kind of see through that hook now. I still have part of the plug that I had scratch made in the hole. I guess I should push that through. But where is that? Here it is. All right, so here is the headlamp piece, and this is how I had it on, like this, upside down, and this is the way it needs to be. So what was the bottom? I've kind of smoothed it over. The little spur, there's one here, one here, one here, and then there should be one on top. I lost that when I was gluing and pressing. I smashed that thing down. So that is not there, but everything else is. So I am going to reattach this in the right direction and call it a night. And it's done. Okay, so the lamp is now facing in the right direction with only minor wear on the top of it. It's a little scratched. Yeah, it's more smoothed out. Anyway, so it's good. I did get a tiny scratch on like the headlamp with my tweezers when I was putting it on. So they are super awesome for gripping, and sometimes they're a little too much. So I will, once this dries and it gets like harder and then it's solidified, I'll get a little light either sanding or scraping. I may use some Tamiya Extra Thin to try to smooth that out, but otherwise it is golden, and I think I can call step 3 officially like done, 99% done, with the exception of cleaning that up. But it's good. I just gotta let it kind of harden and cure and whatever, and then be ready for to start on step 4 officially. So that's it. Thanks.